Welcome back to Reality Served Hot, where the tea is always served hot and the drama never sleeps.
Uzozama nje mhlawumbe ukuveza umbono ukuthi kodwa Mthombeni akwenziwa kanje uzovela kuphoqa nje ezif futhi wena uzibona umuntu owaziyo mhlawumbe nanokuthi uMthombeni mekuthi nike nimlalele akaseregade zamakhosikazi the three of us umuntu amaziyo ukuthi unkosikazi uMacele just because yonke into wazi ukuthi ufuna ikhulume noMacele
kunokuba ku-addresswe i-issue ekhona kovele kulanda uMacele.
uMacele wenza intando yami wenza lento ayitshelwa yimina angisoze nga-recognize umuntu engangi-recognize.
uMthombeni wazi ukuthi mehlangane noMacele thina nje which is nothing exist like higher futhi mhlawumbe sifana ney'ngane according to yena uMthombeni.
Njani sifike nini lana yo guys
yazi mama uma ngase sikwazi ukuhlonipha ama-roles ethu siphinde sazi ukuthi yini esiyizuzile ngokuba la sibe seqinisweni akekho umuntu ongazuzanga ngokuba khona la ekhaya kodwa it's easy ukuthi umuntu akhuluma njalo bese uyabona ukuthi lo muntu ungenomoya awugcini ngenkulumo uyambona nomuntu osejikile ongenomoya. Njengoba ukhuluma lapha uthi unkosikazi ozwakalayo ekhuluma nje kungathi uMacele kuphela usho ukuthini ngalokho?
Ngikuthathele emazwini akho ukuthi you only explain to uMacele so that makes her the only wives then the rest or mhlambe abakhaphi oyimpelesi.
Iyangithusa lento ukuthi ngathi wena uyimpelesi umkhaphi manje mase ngabe kufika la mina sengitshelwa khona noma sengirealize ukuthi kahle umuntu ofanele ngireporte kuyena ngodaba lokuthi ngiyaphambili noma ngiyemumva munye kodwa I've been reporting wona wonke umuntu namanje ubona nginale nkinga nje ngoba ngiyalalela so angilaleli umuntu lo oyedwa uMacele ukube ngilalela yena ngoba uyangivumela ngabe ngiganiwe.
You agree? No, I don't. Ngibonga nje the way oyichaze ngakhona because bengibona ihluke kakhulu the way uMthombeni ayichaza ngakhona. Mina ngake ngasho na before ukuthi ekhaya besikhona isithembu so the way uMthombeni asenza ngakhona angiyazi istress into angeke iziphele because akakwazi ukulida kahle njengendoda efuna ukwakha umuzi. Indlela enza ngayo ungazi ukuthi umfana osajola ofika aqamba amanga la so umndeni ngeke uzowuphathe kanjani.
And just to clarify before Makhumalo comes in, what you are expressing now does not sound to me like an attack to
It's not.
It's your experience of how
Mthombeni is doing things like that.
Okay.
I like what you just said because it's an appeal for renewal so that you're empowered. If then you change your leadership style to accommodate that emotional need, then you're on par, then there's harmony.
Into eyinkinga kakhulu eyenziwa ubaba Ndabeni noSisinondo ukuthi amakhosikazi ami bawasabe bangawatsheli ukuthi le ndlela enibuka ngayo umselebe wrong bavele bathi fanele ngishintshe i-leadership yami kade bengitshela leyo sengizwile 20 times.
Now in this episode I stand uMangwagwe because uSisi finally spoke out what Umayeni has been saying, that the dynamic between uMacele and uMusa is just off. There's a lack of respect for labanye amakhosikazi, and I think nabo sebeyabona ukuthi actually we're tired of this, and rightfully so. And people like saying no, it's because uMacele respects noMusa highlights the fact that I recognize don't recognize I no. This is more than just about recognition. I think uMusa just hates the other wives simply because they're always questioning izinto azenzayo, and uMacele never says anything. Uyebo baba basically. And I think it also just stems from him funding her lifestyle, so she has minimal to say. And also it can't be the fact that uMacele understands Isthembu, because every time she talks about her family she's only just including her kids and uMusa, and that's not understanding Isthembu as umamkhulu that she always highlights that she is, she needs to recognize the other wives as well. But we all know akasithandi istimela sasemzumbe. Now, uMaNgwabi speaking out about this really caught uMusa off guard, as we saw, because he went as far as trying to question her again about it with diary session, and uMaNgwabi, love it down, she did not back down. She repeated it again. See, imagine being in a marriage that you feel like you're just a bridesmaid. I think uMusa and Macele really need to change their dynamic, and it makes me remember when uMayeni questioned uMusa ukuthi uMacele uma wakho yini, because why does he feel that he has to report to her only and not the other wives, whereas the other wives are also funding him. So I just don't get the whole dynamic of this. But I'm loving what's happening right now. I'm loving the season. I love how all the other wives are just speaking out each episode. Umama no mama ukhuluma okusenhlizweni, and I am so here for it. And trust me, I'll be right here to give you a review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a single drop of the Mselegu drama.